welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today is a new build. Are you ready? Yeah, an Audi A3 S-line. Apparently I seem to be buying all the Audis at the minute. It's a 2012 black Audi A3 S-line with some extra little trimmings. So let me come back here. I've got a secret. So we're actually going to build this car for my partner, who currently is cleaning the Audi A6 interior because we've sold it. So we're getting it ready for the buyer. She's going to actually help me build this car from start to finish. But she doesn't know that when it's all done, I'm going to give her the keys. So while she's over here, so she's just given this one a clean. Let's have a look. She hates the idea of even being on camera, so not only has she got to learn how to help me rebuild a car, she's got to be on camera. So sorry if she's very yep. I don't like being on camera either. So without going any further, let's check out the damage before we give her a little wash. Rear quarters, got a little bit of a push in there, and the tail light is bust, so we'll have to replace that. Definitely have to replace that. The rest of this side of the car all looks pretty clean. Come round to the front, it's pretty clean until we get round to this wing and headlight, and unfortunately the bumper. So headlight is completely naff. Front bumper's definitely repairable on this one. I'm not going to be buying a new front bumper. Looking at it, I'm probably going to have to buy a new grille, which is a little bit of an upset because I didn't see that until right now. Right, the wing, it's not too bad. Well, say it's not too bad. We're going to be putting a new one on it, and I believe that's really all the damage to this one. Oh, glove box. The door's been ripped off, so I'm going to have to replace the glove box. That's the front of it. It has an uprated screen in it. It's got the flat bottom S-line steering wheel. Obviously the S-line leather seats. And the only other problem I've got can't get in the boot. I can't get it to actually open. Obviously I can get in the boot, I can go through the rear seats, but yeah. So what do you think? Not a bad looking car, I believe. Look how clean this engine bay is. Clean, isn't it? Yeah, the bonnet's still in good condition, which I'm quite lucky with, because obviously everyone who has followed my channel for a little bit now knows I don't have good history with bonnets. The Audi is all done. So now, just to get the A3 washed. Got to wash it by hand. I let my son use my jet wash the other day, and the rubber ring on the spray foam attachment is now missing, so just something else I've got to buy. Love kids. one to introduce you to the A3 S-line build. The next one, we'll start getting all that damaged parts off and putting her back together. Shouldn't take too long, whilst we leave the missus to do the cleaning work, what she's supposed to be doing. Nearly. Well, thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.